How you guys doing, and welcome to another Arca Garage video. Today I'm gonna do a window regulator removal on Alfa Romeo 159 Brera and Spider. If you want to see how to remove the door panel, I'll put the link to that in the description below. I'm gonna start by removing these two pieces of plastic. They will give me the access to two 10mm bolts which hold the window in place. I'm gonna roll the window down just enough so I can gain access to two 10mm bolts that I just told you about. Alright, there they are. I don't know how well can you see it on the camera, but here's the better look. So there's the one right there, and we got one more at the front right there. I'm gonna loosen both of them using my small ratchet extension and a 10mm socket. Now, as I said, I'm only gonna loosen them. You don't want to remove them all the way. I'm gonna do the same thing at the front. And now I'm going to pull the window up, and I'm gonna tape it to the frame of the door so it doesn't fall down. Next, I'm going to undo all of the 10mm screws which hold the assembly in place. Now I can separate the assembly. Keep in mind that it might come apart a bit harder due to the sealant. Next, I'm gonna remove the cable to the interior door handle. I'm gonna pull this plastic piece off right here and guide the cable out. Next, I'm gonna push it in all the way along with this rubber piece which keeps it from getting damaged. Alright, there it is. I also have to undo the connector for electric lock. Just press on the clip on the top and pull it off. Now, before you can guide the cable out, you gotta remove this plastic piece, and you can do that by pulling it to the left. Just like that. Now here's the main connector for the door. To undo it, press on each side and pull it up. I'm gonna undo it all the way. And now first I'm gonna push this rubber insulation inside the door. I'm gonna close the connector and push it inside the door as well. Now I can take the whole assembly off. I'm gonna push it down a little bit to get the top part out, and I'm gonna pull it up. And there you go. The door assembly is off and our window regulator is on the other side, as you can see right here. Now we are not done yet, we still have to remove a bunch of stuff to get it off. I've already got all of the connectors undone, but here's the closer look. Now pull on the plastic clip to get this one undone. Now for this one you got clip on the inside, just press it in and pull it out. And for this one, press the clip in and pull the lever to the left. Lastly, for the speaker, you got the clip on the other side, press it in and pull the connector out. Moving on to removing door module, is held in place by three 5mm Allen screws. Now I'm gonna remove the module, I'm gonna remove the electric window motor as well as the speaker, because there are some screws underneath which are hidden that hold the window regulator in place. Alright, there are two 10mm screws which I was talking about, and there is one more underneath the speaker. Now to remove the speaker, I'm gonna remove these four Phillips screws. Alright, I'm gonna remove all five 10mm nuts which hold the window regulator in place. Lastly, I'm going to remove three T25 Torx screws which hold the electric motor in place. I'm gonna pull the electric motor off, and now the window regulator is finally free. I'm gonna flip this whole thing over. And now I can remove the window regulator. I'm gonna get this cable out of the clip and pull this plastic piece, and that is pretty much it. Anyway, that would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of our FST.